Broski? Is it part 7? Huh? Is it part 7? Rainy day, isn't it?
Oh no! Back. Another video. Oh no, what do we have today? We have this thing. Great. I hope I don't scratch it. Okay, we got ourselves a nice microfiber towel and we're gonna just flip this over like that. Yeah, I'm using or not drilling. Take these screws out one by one. So pretty much, so far they're all the same. I'm gonna take this one off over here. Is the camera show it all? Good. Doesn't need a big camera. Apply downward pressure and turn. That's what you gotta do. I mean, yeah, that's important. Downward pressure. Okay. So these are all the same screws. It's like, this thing comes apart. Oh. Ah, there are tabs. Okay. So I see 3 on this front side. So I'm just gonna kind of pull and hold. Pull and hold. See if I can get that third one. I think then we'll actually move if we do get that third one. Okay, no. There's one on the corner. I hear the birds. We get a couple flatheads. Oh wait, is that one right there on the side? On the end? Oh, I guess I was pulling on the wrong one earlier. Just kind of hold the tension while I pull the tabs out or away. Oh, I guess there are some here on this other side. So I'm gonna carefully get my nails in this edge over here. But the ones on the end, I think, is what's fighting me. We've got the top ones. I think if I work from one side, I gotta do this side and this back. So maybe if I stick a driver here and pull on this end one, I can get it up on this end. Tricky, but she comes. Oh, no pun intended. Alright, so we're up on this side, but we've still got this side we gotta contend with. So we know there's a tab here, and then there's also one on this other end. Lots of fiddling around here. It seems really that back will come off any second now. There's something down at the bottom that's holding it. Oh, nothing. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got that part done. Now the board, I think the board is just... It's loose in there. Okay, it's on some pegs. But is it... Want to come out? I don't want to really tug on it. I don't want to break it. Alright, so I'm back. After making dinner and fiddling with this for several hours, I finally separated this piece. And the thing that was holding me up was, if you can, I almost need to shine a light inside of here. Here, I got this. Was if you can see it or not, these two little tabs here, right here, they're inaccessible from the outside when you're trying to take this apart. Um, there are, so to separate these two pieces, there are these three, and then four, there's one on the end, and then there's five on this end. And you kind of like, if you ever taken apart the old Xbox controllers, you kind of push in on the joysticks while you keep hold the edge with your fingernails, and just push in those knobs, and you can see it would rock back and forth on a center point, and that center point was those two little um, brackets right here, these clips. I didn't break them. I managed to wedge a tool. Um, kind of really, it's not. It wasn't even near it. I think that it was on the side with the buttons. I pressed it on the side with the buttons. Got it through the case half, and maybe the buttons helped push those. But I think that's wrong because it would have been pushing the tabs over their locking. I don't know, but it just like fiddling with it enough, rocking it back and forth, and wedging that between there made enough of a gap to let it come apart freely. Um, so, and I didn't have to remove this adhered uh, front piece, which is the only way I can see um, to separate the front from the. We still don't have access to the LEDs yet. We still have to get the down to the nitty gritty here. There's this diffuser here. I'm gonna try and I see a clip here. I'm gonna try and see if it lets me move out with it if I. Oh, yep, sure did. So I'm gonna try to take this diffuser out first. The goal here is so that we can get to do the same thing on that side, and I think that should just come right out. Oh, I see LEDs. That is a good indication that we are getting to. Wow, they are of a size that we can change. I have that size. I think those pins are just in a connector. I think they're press fitted into a connector. They've got to be. Because well, oh, it's like all sensor. You literally have to pull this board off of those pins. And I'm just trying to be really careful not to break it. That screen. This is a trick and a half. I think we're like right at the very end of this deal. I know we are. And that screen's about to just fall straight off. There's a connector on the other side of that those pins are just literally pushed into. Um, and I just gotta keep. Oh, I think it's about to start coming. See the pin header. See, now we're getting the board out where it's this. I don't want to pull the screen because it's very fragile. That's glass, and you don't want to break that. You break that, you got to buy a whole nother thing. So I was like, um, I don't want to pull up on those edges of the glass is what I'm trying to say. But I'm going to come back in here on this other side right here and pull this board out with this. Because I think it's about to let go of those pins. Oh. I think we are just about there. Oh, I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that can be set aside. And there we have it. Oh my gosh, I got it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, you guys. We're about halfway there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. Ice blue LEDs right there. And like those suckers all bright. That's awesome. Alright, before my phone dies. So, man, I really wish this would show the real true color of what all this looks like. Isn't in this, oh wait, that's right. I can adjust exposure, but even, it just looks white. It makes everything, it doesn't do it justice.